My daughter scored an 1190 on the SAT, which is it's a decent score. That's good, but she scored it again another time. So then after she worked with her varsity tutors, she scored a 1340 on the SAT. Having her SAT score go up that much by 150 points completely changed our list of colleges that we were looking at. We had been looking at kind of the B level colleges maybe, and we started looking at the very best colleges in our state. And she got accepted to a top school in our state. So it's just, I just can't say enough about what that did for her life. It changed her future dramatically. We are huge Varsity Tutors fans around here. We just love it. It's been life-changing for us. It's been such an encouragement. It's just been a real game changer for my daughter's future, really. I wish that I'd known about them sooner with my other children.